What's going on, y'all? It's the kid J Nolan here, and I want to talk to y'all today about Shopify now allowing merchants to sell NFTs directly through the platform, okay? So as of Monday, the Chicago Bulls actually launched their first NFT through Shopify instead of going through a traditional NFT marketplace. And what they chose to do was to create an NFT of a championship ring. All right, and they offered it through a Shopify storefront, and it sold out within 90 seconds. All right, a minute and a half, that thing gone. Okay, so that just lets you know that this is about to be a big thing. Now, the funny part about it is the Chicago Bulls ain't won an NBA championship in a long time, so it would have been a little bit more fitting if Michael Jordan did this. But they say, you know what? We're gonna hop on the train and show y'all how to do it. Can't be mad at them. So through the Shopify system, you're able to purchase an NFT using a credit card or a debit card. There's platforms out there that already allow you to do that. But by going through Shopify, this now makes this a low barrier of entry for your customers or consumers, because normally if you was to go and sell something on the blockchain, you're going through platforms that you're not familiar with, your customers aren't familiar with. You're going to be selling through a currency that people aren't familiar with. They probably don't have any coins in their wallet. They probably don't have a wallet and don't know what it is. So man, going through Shopify right now, that is going to be a game changer, absolutely. Now on the merchant side, you do have to choose which blockchain you want to go through. You can choose Flow, and you can also choose Ethereum. They will soon have more options available in the platform, so you just got to keep doing your thing. All of us creators, musicians, artists, people that sell merch, designers, etc., got to start thinking about how to digitize our ideas in a way that's going to become appealing not only to people that are already in the cryptocurrency NFT movement, but for the people that love us that aren't already there but might be interested in supporting. All right, so it's just something to think about, another way to do this. And once again, this is through Shopify. Shopify it's like the #1 way to sell products these days. So this is a big deal. All right, stay tuned for more.